East 2. Group 1 ba or group 2? 2? 2 daw. Saan ba group 2? Pakitaas ang kamay. Ayan. So, ito mga group 2. Group 1, dun sa may right side. So, group 2, you are safe. Ay, you are...
Okay. Group 2, safe kayo.
So, first group, would you mind to occupy the center stage, please?
Oh, hawak kamay na para may fist break lang siya. Na-shock ako doon. Wala lang. Oo, sige. Na-shock ako ba? Ang daming element of surprise.
Okay. Please move forward. Singing talent number 1 and 2. You are both safe.
Congratulations.
Mga alas sa test kasi. Charot. Please move forward. Singing talent number 3 and 4. You are also safe.
Congratulations.
Dalawang lalaki, please move forward.
6 and 7.
Ay, nako, you are safe.
Ayan, congratulations.
Dito, tatlo na po ang natira. So, hold hands together.
Announcement na po ng Miss Universe. Pinaaga. Go.
Ano bang tatawagin ko? Safe or yung matatanggal? Last week, tinawag namin yung safe. Ngayon, yung matatanggal. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the end of your journey tonight. Singing talent number.
Uy.
Singing talent number 8. Congratulations, singing talent number 5 and 9.
And to award the cash prize to the eliminated talent, may we request ang Buriang Bayan member Honorable Efren Garcia $50.